Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Elodie. Today we're gonna learn the TikTok challenge on Megan Trainor's last song, Getting Girl. This is not my choreography, but this is my interpretation of the choreography. Also, this is a tutorial only. So if you want to practice with the music, you can check my shorts. The links are in the description below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a really fun dance, not too hard, but still don't forget to warm up before we start. All right, so we're gonna do mirror, meaning this is your right and this is your left. So we're gonna do this movement, 1, 2. Right arm, left arm. And the heels are lifting and going to the right and to the left. And you're bending your legs, yes, and you're going with your hips as well to the right and to the left. So, 1, 2. Then we do the same thing with the legs, yes, but we're gonna cross the arms, hands on shoulders, and open, hands on shoulders. Yeah, so we're gonna do right, left, cross, open. With the legs, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna do the same thing with the legs, but this time we're gonna put the right hand on the hips and just one finger, left finger on the mouth. So you can put it on the teeth, on your lips, yeah, but on the mouth, yeah, so. And then you put it on your hip, yeah? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the last 2 counts, 5, 6. One more time. Right arm, left arm, cross, open, finger. Yeah, and then we're gonna finish the 8, 7, 8. Yeah, so with the thumb, you're gonna throw them back, yeah? Bum, bum, bum. And you're gonna do 3 little steps. Step and step. Yeah, so I kind of just do step, and then on the second one, I just put it on the toes and step. Yeah, so you can use your upper body as well, yes? Going forward. Yeah, your rib cage going forward. Forward, come back, forward. Yes? Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so bum, bum, bum. So we've done 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so that's already the first 8. Yeah? Again, from the top. So, right arm, left arm, cross, open, finger, hips, bum, bum, bum. Yeah? 1, 2, 3 steps. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One last time, and then we'll do the second 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna do kick, kick. So you're facing the right diagonal, yeah? So you're gonna kick in front of you, so in the diagonal. Yeah, so both legs are bent and then gonna stretch. And then you kick to your side, yeah? So in front of you in the diagonal and then to your side. Yeah, and you're gonna have, yeah, your foot flex if you can, yeah? So kick, kick. With the hands, Same thing, flex your hands, and we're gonna do push, 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 push. Again, push, push. So we do 1, 2, we're gonna do 3 and 4. So if you've done dancing before, this is a pas de bourrée, yes? Pas de bourrée, kind of, yeah? If you're not done dancing, so you're gonna put your legs back, side, front of you in the diagonal, yes? So 3 steps back, side, front. Back, side, front. Yeah, 3 little steps. And you're gonna bring your arms with you to the other side. So we've done kick, kick, pam, pam, pam. Yeah? Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Maybe let's do one more time before we keep going. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're gonna do cross, cross. So 1 fingers on each hand, and we're gonna cross and open. Yes, with your hips going to the right, to the left. Yeah, pam, pam. So we've done 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Again, just that. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and we're gonna do 7, 8. So you're gonna put your left hand on your hip, still 1 finger, and we're gonna do pam, pam, pam. So the head is going with a finger to the side, come back to the side, and we're gonna do 3 little steps. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just 1, 2, 3, that's it. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left. So we've done cross. Cross, open, pam, pam, pam. Yeah? Again, from the beginning of that 8. Yeah? So we do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try from the top. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that one more time, and then we'll learn the third 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So with a fist on your forehead, and you're gonna drop it to the side, and you're gonna sit on the right hip, yes? So both legs are bent. This one you can be on your toes. All the weight is on the right leg, yes? So 1, 2, you're gonna do the same thing the other side. 3, 4. And if you want, you can use the head as well. So you look down and you look down. Yes? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna roll the arms. Yes, and we're gonna do the same thing we were doing before with the hips. Yeah, so going to the right, hips and heel, to the left with your hips and heels. Yeah? So we were here, to the right, to the left. Yeah? So from the beginning of this new 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're gonna point in the diagonal and point down in the diagonal. Yes, and you're still doing the same thing with the hips and the heels. So point up in the diagonal, point down in the diagonal. Yeah, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last 8 is kind of freestyle. So basically, it's come in, yeah, come with me. And like you're in a car, yes, you're gonna put your hands on the steering wheel. Yes, and then just leave. So you can go like that. I like doing that, so I'm doing that. Or you can just like steps, walk, and leave. Yes? So come in and leaving. Yes? Again, so we finish here. Come in. 1, 2, steering wheel. 3, 4, 5, 6, or just walking. 7, 8. Yeah? And that's it. That's finished. Yeah, so one last time, the last 8, and then we'll do a couple times from the beginning. So we finish here, and come in, and steering wheel, and just living. From the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, one last time. A tiny bit faster. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.